Ever feel like you're juggling a dozen spinning plates? Work emails, family demands, nonstop news? That's modern stress. It leaves us tired, irritable, and out of balance. Quick fixes like coffee or snacks don't solve the root problem. But centuries ago, Japanese healers crafted a remedy for this, Kamishoyosan. They believed true wellness meant restoring harmony between mind and body, not just treating symptoms. Kamishoyosan is a blend of herbs designed to soothe the nervous system and restore calm. It doesn't mask anxiety or fatigue. It addresses the underlying imbalance. Today, we'll explore Kamishoyosan's history, ingredients, and how it can help us find balance in a hectic world. This isn't about rejecting modern medicine, but expanding our toolkit for well-being. Let's take a deep breath and discover how ancient wisdom can help us thrive today. Welcome to the calming world of Kamishoyosan. So, what is this mysterious-sounding remedy, Kamishoyosan? Kamishoyosan is a traditional Japanese herbal formula from Kampo medicine, a centuries-old practice rooted in ancient Chinese traditions but uniquely adapted to Japanese culture and philosophy. Kampo is Japan's unique system of herbal healing, blending time-honored wisdom with a deep respect for nature's remedies. Unlike Western medicine, which often targets single symptoms with isolated compounds, Kampo uses carefully balanced combinations of herbs to restore the body's natural balance and harmony. The name Kamishoyosan means added and free wanderer powder, hinting at its purpose: to soothe a restless spirit and let energy, or qi, flow freely throughout the body and mind. In Kampo, stress is believed to cause qi to stagnate, leading to irritability, anxiety, headaches, and digestive issues that can disrupt daily life. Kamishoyosan gently moves this stagnant qi, releasing tension and restoring a sense of ease and calm. Traditionally, it was used to harmonize the liver and spleen, not the organs as we know them, but systems governing emotions and digestion in Kampo theory. Stress disrupts this delicate harmony, causing both emotional and physical symptoms to appear together. Kamishoyosan calms the agitated liver and strengthens the weakened spleen, supporting both mind and body. It's valued for addressing complex patterns where mental and physical complaints overlap, offering a holistic approach. Instead of treating each symptom separately, Kampo treats the person as a whole, aiming for true balance and well-being. That's the beauty of Kampo: holistic healing for modern life, nurturing both body and spirit in today's fast-paced world. Kamishoyosan remains a cornerstone for restoring balance, cherished by many seeking gentle, natural support for their health. The genius of Kamishoyosan lies in its carefully balanced blend of about 10 herbs, each with a specific role. This ancient formula has been refined over centuries, with every ingredient selected for its unique contribution to overall well-being. Bupleurum root is the chief herb, soothing the liver and relieving stagnant energy. Think frustration and irritability. It's the driving force behind the formula's ability to restore emotional balance. Peony root nourishes the blood and softens the liver, calming muscle tension and emotional instability. It works hand in hand with Bupleurum to ease both physical and emotional discomfort. Together, they address the core emotional and energetic imbalance, creating a foundation for harmony within the body. Herbs like Atractylodes rhizome and Poria fungus support digestion and boost energy, reducing bloating and fatigue. They help the body process nutrients efficiently, so you feel lighter and more energized. Ginger warms the body and aids digestion, making the formula easy to assimilate. Its gentle heat also helps soothe discomfort and support circulation. Gardenia fruit and mouton bark clear internal heat, manifesting as anxiety, restlessness, or trouble sleeping. These herbs are especially valued for their calming, cooling properties. These cooling herbs promote tranquility, helping to settle the mind and encourage restful sleep. Licorice root harmonizes the blend, ensuring all herbs work smoothly together and adding gentle energy support. It also helps moderate the intensity of the other ingredients. Each ingredient is chosen for synergy, enhancing effectiveness and minimizing side effects. This thoughtful combination is what makes Kamishoyosan so unique. This is the heart of Kampo, a symphony of herbs working in harmony, each note essential to the overall effect. Kamishoyosan's formula is time-tested for calming both mind and body, offering gentle support for modern stress. It's a holistic approach to stress relief, blending tradition and nature for balanced living. Let's zoom in on Kamishoyosan's star duo, Bupleurum and Peony root, two herbs that have been used together for centuries in traditional medicine. Bupleurum, or chai hu, is the formula's leader, clearing blocked liver qi. Think of it as unblocking a river so emotions can flow freely and naturally. It eases frustration, irritability, and that pent-up feeling from chronic stress, helping you feel lighter and more at ease. Rather than suppressing emotions, Bupleurum helps them move through us in a healthier, more balanced way, supporting emotional flexibility. Peony root, or by Xiao, complements Bupleurum by nourishing and grounding, bringing a sense of calm and stability. Under long-term stress, our resources get depleted. Peony replenishes them, easing anxiety, muscle tension, and that ungrounded feeling that can leave us drained. Together, they create a dance. Bupleurum moves and releases, Peony nourishes and softens, working in harmony like yin and yang. This partnership tackles both irritability and underlying anxiety, addressing the surface and the root of emotional imbalance. Kamishoyosan doesn't just calm or energize, it restores dynamic balance, helping you feel centered and resilient. That's the foundation of emotional resilience, allowing you to adapt and thrive through life's ups and downs. The formula's effectiveness lies in this interplay of movement and nourishment, a synergy that supports both mind and body. It's why Kamishoyosan is so trusted for complex emotional states, offering gentle support when you need it most. Balance, not suppression, is the goal, helping you find harmony within yourself naturally. Kamishoyosan's main claim to fame is stress and anxiety relief. In our fast-paced world, our nervous system is often stuck in overdrive. Kamishoyosan gently dials down that fight-or-flight response, encouraging calm without drowsiness. Users often feel more centered and less reactive to daily stressors. It creates a buffer, helping you handle challenges with patience and grace. The formula addresses both mental and physical stress, soothing irritability, tension, and even calming the digestive system. It's especially helpful for that restless, uneasy feeling with no clear cause. Kamishoyosan untangles the knots of stress, restoring inner harmony. It's about building resilience, not eliminating stress entirely. Kamishoyosan is renowned for balancing mood and easing emotional swings, especially around hormonal cycles. For many women, PMS or PMDD brings irritability, anxiety, and tension. Classic signs for this formula. Bupleurum soothes irritability. Peony eases anxiety and physical tension. The blend steadies emotions, smoothing the monthly cycle's ups and downs. It's also used during perimenopause and menopause to help with hot flashes, night sweats, and mood changes. Heat-clearing herbs like gardenia and mouton bark cool hot flashes and calm restlessness. Kamishoyosan isn't hormone replacement. It supports the body's natural balance. The goal: restore equilibrium and empower women through hormonal transitions. Kamishoyosan's benefits go beyond mood. It supports physical wellness too. By addressing stress at its root, it helps relieve tension headaches, neck and shoulder stiffness, and muscle tightness. The Bupleurum Peony combo relaxes both mind and muscles. Herbs like atractylodes, poria, and ginger strengthen digestion, easing bloating and discomfort. The formula also improves circulation, warming cold hands and feet. It helps restore energy, not with a jolt, but with a gentle, sustained lift. Kamishoyosan reconnects mind and body, promoting overall harmony. It's a holistic remedy for the physical fallout of stress. The result: more comfort, vitality, and balance. Who is Kamishoyosan for? Almost anyone feeling the weight of modern life. Busy professionals juggling deadlines and stress can find calm and focus. Parents and caregivers drained by constant responsibility can regain resilience and emotional stability. Students facing exam anxiety and digestive upset can benefit from its balancing effects. Kamishoyosan is for those who feel stuck, emotionally or physically, by worry, tension, or fatigue. It's best for people who are drained by chronic stress, not severely ill or robust, but simply out of sync. The formula helps restore inner harmony, making it relevant for today's challenges. Whether you're overwhelmed at work, at home, or in school, Kamishoyosan offers gentle support. It's a holistic solution for the very human experience of being overwhelmed. Ancient wisdom, modern relevance. Kamishoyosan bridges the gap. As we wrap up, remember, this information is for education, not medical advice. Herbal remedies like Kamishoyosan can be powerful and may interact with medications or health conditions. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. A professional can guide you on safety, dosage, and quality. Don't self-diagnose. Use this knowledge to start informed conversations with your provider. Exploring traditional remedies can empower your wellness journey. Kamishoyosan is just one chapter in the story of holistic health. Stay curious, keep learning, and build your own toolkit for resilience and balance. Share your experiences and thoughts below. Let's learn from each other. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Wishing you peace and wellness ahead.